Hi guys, please subscribe. Thank you.
Nice, there it is. Captain Suarez already proven that he could do things. If I'm Suarez, that's what I would be doing. I'll be make sure I take care of my defense after. Yeah, I was looking for that right. Oh, he's trying to set it up now. He's going. Oh, 10 seconds. Good creativity by.
Sa round number 3, dito natatapusin ng bata ni Chavit Singson ang paboritong alaga ni Babarum. Mapait na sasapitin na pagkatalo ang Amerikano mula sa ating pambato.
That was a low blow as he was being pulled down. That's... Yeah, Schwartz's taking advantage of finished up at the wild card gym.
Brutal na bumagsak ang Amerikano sa napakatinding kamao ng ating pambato, pero tumayo pa rin siya kaya tinuluyan na siya ng ating bida.
Plus seconds left for Suarez to finish the job, and that's exactly